Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the July Good Vibes Scribe box. How cute is this box? Always is. And can you believe it's July already? But anyways, today we're going to be opening up this box. I'll tell you a little bit about it first. But before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you joined and subscribed. That would mean so much to me. Now back to Good Vibes Scribe. The name of this box says it all. This box sends you things to send positive vibes, good vibes your way, and I absolutely love it. It's a monthly subscription. It is $45 a month with free shipping. You can pay a little bit less if you purchase like multiple months at a time, and they also have an option available to become like a premium member, so I think you pay $5 more a month and you get to customize your box. They did provide a code for us that will get you one free gift in your box. I will leave the link and the code down below, and just so you know, it's not an affiliated code or anything like that. It is just to help you guys out. And this box you will get if you order by July 4th, so within a few days. So if you really like what you see today, make sure to order soon. But yeah, I think that's it. Let's get this box open. It looks like it's about to start thunderstorming here, which I hope it does. I actually was just driving to the post office to pick up this box, and my car said it was 99 degrees, and I looked at my phone and it said feels like 108 or something like that, so the range had cooled down. How is the weather where you guys live? When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. So you have a card on top, and then there's a sneak peek. Whatever that is, looks cute. I think I smell something good too. So let's see what this says. July 2020 featured products overview. Every company and product has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts you have just received. So I love that Good Vibes Scribe, it always supports small businesses, and it tells you a little bit more about the businesses as well. So inside, you can see there's a lot of information actually, and it'll tell you about everything we have. Seriously, something smells so good. So let's start with that thing on top that looks so cute. I love the colors. This is by Nipa Hut. And on the back of this little card here it says, with this purchase you are empowering artisans by trade. Thank you for the gift of giving. Love that. Oh, awesome. So this is the Nipa Hut hand woven trivet. So you use this like with your hot pans when you're cooking and stuff afterwards. I actually just learned what a trivet was pretty recently. I just recently started cooking, and I actually really enjoy it. So like at least one good thing has come out of this quarantine. I now cook. Trying to be healthier, but this is so cute, and it will look so cute in my kitchen too. I'm planning on cooking tonight, so awesome. Let's learn a little bit more about this. Oh, so it looks like you could have gotten it in this color blue or a green color, and if you pay for 6 months or more at a time, or if you're one of those premium members I was telling you about, you are able to customize this. Anyways, it says, Nipa Hut is a social enterprise that sells woven home accessories and crafts handmade by communities of weavers in Southeast Asia. Our mission is to preserve and promote traditional skills, crafts, and heritage of artisans from areas affected by natural disasters, poverty, or overdevelopment. And then it says, Jennifer is a Los Angeles-based social entrepreneur behind Nipa Hut. Her desire to make a positive impact was sparked by spending time with artisan communities in Southeast Asia. Seeing the women practice their respective crafts, she was struck by their ingenuity and perseverance despite their humble surroundings. Motherhood for her took on a new significance after spending time with these women. Consequently, she traded her career in finance for a new challenge, focusing on preserving the heritage of Southeast Asia artisans through Nipa Hut. The crafts of our artisans shape the social fabric of their villages and help them provide for their children and families. It is their sense of community and togetherness that Jennifer hopes to extend through Nipa Hut's products. All of our goods are carefully selected, of premium quality, handmade, and locally sourced in fair trade. Our vendors themselves come from the communities that create our specially chosen collections. Add a splash of color to your tabletops with this handcrafted pot holder placement. It is a beautiful and versatile help on your dining table. Use as a charger plate, trivet, or a unique decoration. Yeah, just having this out in your kitchen is a decoration for sure. It's so beautiful. Sometimes when I look at things like that, I'm like, I can't believe people actually make these things, like so talented. I can't even do simple crafts. By the way, I promised a craft video a while ago. That's coming. I wish I was talented like this, but I'm so happy to have this. Oh, I think I found what smells amazing. It looks like it might be a soap. No Coast Perennial Soap Signature Collection. This is handcrafted, vegan, and palm oil free. Oh, it smells so good. What is the scent? So, this is a woman-owned company, and it says the ingredients on here. Oh, and it comes from Wisconsin. Yeah, Midwest. Olive oil, coconut oil, organic cocoa butter, fair trade shea butter, fragrance, mica, water, and sodium hydroxide make this soap. And let's see what it looks like. It's super cute too. I love blue and green. It smells so good. Does it tell us what the scent is on here? Okay, so this is another item that could have been a variation. So this, oh, No Coast is the name of it. Yeah, it kind of smells like water, but it says No Coast. Let's see if it says anything else in here, but you could have gotten it in this No Coast or in Cherry Lime. I'm glad I got this one, but I'm sure the Cherry Lime one is good as well. So established in 2011 in Racine, Wisconsin, Erin of Perennial Soaps began making soap due to a lack of natural vegan bath and body products in her hometown. She formulated a plant-based recipe from scratch, free of destructive palm oil and unnecessary chemicals. The recipes begin with fresh plant-based ingredients like organic cocoa butter and fair trade shea. Premium grade essential and fragrance oils are added to produce unexpected scent combinations like Waterlust, No Coast, and our bestseller Urban Hippie. Topped off with fresh botanicals like locally grown lavender and calendula, the soaps are cut into generous 5-ounce bars and labeled with ingredients. Free of parabens, detergents, and unnecessary chemicals, most of our products have less than 9 ingredients. Certified cruelty-free by PETA and Leaping Bunny, our products are tested on friends, not animals. Love that. We enjoy selling at indie handmade shows and Veg Fest throughout the Midwest and love to see our repeat customers. Enjoy your 5-ounce vegan and palm oil free hand soap in Cherry Lime or No Coast. Each batch is handmade and packaged in a recyclable box. It smells so good. I love the colors. I just love good smelling things, especially when you know it's like from like non-artificial sources. Awesome. Next up, oh, I'm so glad to get this. This is all natural, bite me, bug free, zero chemical, powerful and non-toxic bug repellent. I seriously have like an itch on my leg right now. I was kind of out in the middle of nowhere, like in the country. I'm such a city girl. I grew up in Chicago, if you guys didn't know. Now I don't live like in the country, but I live like close to it, I guess. Like I went and visited my friend who has a bunch of orange groves, and it was during the day, but I could just tell like bugs like love me for some reason. It's so weird. But I really don't like using those harsh chemical bug sprays, and now I have one that says it's chemical free, so let's learn more about it. It says it has playful scents of lemongrass and citrus. I love the scent of lemongrass and citrus in general. It says love our plants and love our planet. Power of wildcraft ingredients. They have a patent pending, bite me bug free blend of super herb, all natural essential oils and flowers, an aqueous extract of chrysanthemum, and saying all the big names of plants that has citronella in it, so that is that main plant extract that helps with repelling bugs, you know, like citronella candles. Cedarwood, clove, lemongrass, lemon eucalyptus, peppermint, and rosemary, tea tree, thyme, and geranium oils. Cool. And then it's made also with distilled water, witch hazel, castor oil, neem oil, vegetable glycerin, liquid castile soap, aloe vera, and isopropyl alcohol. Made in the USA with love and peace. It says it repels mosquitoes, ticks, lice, spiders, no-see-ums, ants, biting flies, gnats, and fleas. Oh, no-see-ums are really common, like especially when I'm by the water at my parents' place in Marco Island. Lice, whenever I hear that, I'm like, good to know. Wow, they have so much information on here. Broad spectrum, it's family friendly, 100% healthy, super herb repellent, nourishing, It's packed with antioxidants. It can renew and restore your skin. It's for all skin types, vegan, non-toxic, DEET-free. So DEET is that harsh chemical that's in a lot of repellents. Like, they used to like have those trucks that would just go through the streets back in the day. I think it was before my time, and kids would like chase after it and inhale the chemicals. I don't know the effects of that, but I remember hearing that. I was like, what? They don't do that anymore, right? But it keeps going on. Chemical-free, dye-free, GMO-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, cruelty-free, and 100% recyclable. So directions, you shake it well, and then you apply liberally to the body and clothing every 1 to 2 hours as needed. Do not spray directly on the face. Wash hands after handling to avoid contact with eyes and mouth. It's lab tested and proven effective. So I feel like I read everything that probably says on here, but this was made by Lisa, Jean Walsh, and Kate Gordon, and they work together in Manhattan, but they spend time in upstate New York. Okay. Oh wow, one of the founders, one of her kids was actually really allergic to mosquitoes, and she made this, so that means this must really work. I have tried some like natural remedies before. They might have been like homemade by somebody though. Not saying that homemade stuff is always bad, but it didn't work, so if she trusted it with her little kid that's allergic, man, sometimes I wonder if I'm allergic because I get such bad reactions. So I just want to spray it and see what it's like. Oh, I can smell citronella a little bit. It seems like just like a teeny bit leaked off the cap, but that's okay. I don't really mind that scent because it reminds me of summertime. And I heard you can grow citronella plants, and I'm thinking about doing that maybe for my lanai because my bad cats have like climbed up the screen. There's like tiny holes so little bugs can get through. And sometimes I leave the lanai door open for them, you know, and bugs get in. It's not terrible or anything, but do cats eat citronella plants, and are they safe for cats? This is more like a mental note for me to Google it when I'm editing, but if you guys know, let me know. So I'm gonna shake it up. I'm just gonna. So it has a nice fine mist. Yeah, and it smells mostly like citronella, but also a little citrus in it as well. Oh yay, I'm so happy to have this. Perfect for a July box too, right? All right, so I believe we have 2 items left. What is this here? It says Knockaround. Let's get it out. I can't tell what it is. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be sunglasses. Another perfect thing for a July box. Oops, I just dropped something that probably says more information on it. Wouldn't be a video if I didn't drop something while unboxing. But it comes in a bag, which is nice, so you can store it this way. And this is another variation item. There are 4 choices, and I got it in clear. Oh my god, I like these. I don't have any like this. I love the shape. I might have glasses with similar shape, but look, it's clear and then has the blue. Oh my god, I really like this. Sorry with the ring light, let me put it like this. So Knockaround Sunglasses, you could have gotten it in clear / moonshine, which is what I received, glossy tortoiseshell, black ocean, or pool blue / sunset. I'm actually really happy that I got the pair I did and I didn't get to choose. So those are the options right there. Let me put these on while I read. You know I have to check myself out in my cat mirror. Oh, it looks kind of cool. I can see the reflection of the ring light and it's like all blue. But I love the shape. I think this is a flattering eye shape, and it looks like all of the glasses are shaped this way, but I don't have any glasses that are clear like this, and the blue makes it really unique too. And I have a decent amount of sunglasses. I can't handle being outside with sunglasses, without sunglasses. Like when I see people driving without it, I'm like, well, first of all, it's not good for your eyes, and you don't want to be squinting and getting wrinkles. It's like storming here and I'm inside, but I'm gonna keep these on for a second. So it says, growing up, my dad had a pair of sneakers in the garage that he'd wear when he mowed the lawn. He called them his knockaround sneakers. He could count on them, they were dependable, and he didn't care if they got beaten up. So I just applied the idea to sunglasses. I wanted them to be affordable. If you lost them or broke them, no big deal. The knockaround name seemed like a natural fit. Like, I'm just gonna knock around this pair of sunglasses. And this is a quote by Adam, aka Ace Moyer, who is the founder. So Knockaround was founded in 2005 by Ace during his time as a graduate art student at the University of California, San Diego. Merging the classic East Coast prep style of his Virginia upbringing, his interest in design and fashion, and a newfound love for perpetually sunny, laid-back lifestyle of Southern California, Ace created a company centered around sunglasses, and the line was both practical and stylish. Knockaround Premiums come with a UV 400 protective lens to protect your eyes, and most color combos can be ordered with polarized lenses for extra glare reduction. Nice. So what do you guys think? I know it's super reflective, but I like these. I love that they're different. And knockarounds, does that mean they don't break easily? So that would be nice. Once I got in my car and my sunglasses were on the seat and I sat on them and broke them. And that was a bummer. But I'll try really hard not to do that with this. But if it like is less break proof, sweet. And it didn't mess up my makeup too much. Actually, before I filmed, I was wearing sunglasses when I was going to the post office and I ain't checked, so that could probably from the sunglasses I had on longer. But anyways, let's move on to the last item in the box. So we're in here. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. We have a bracelet here. Oh my god, I love the colors of this. I'm gonna put my ring on the other finger so it's not like distracting or the focus. But this is what it looks like. So the Lotus and Luna single bracelet. Lotus and Luna is committed to helping women escape the cycle of poverty. Here at Lotus and Luna, we take pride in creating beautiful, handcrafted accessories with a mission. Each product is handmade by our team of talented female artisans living in villages outside of Chiang Mai in northern Thailand. Our mission is to provide fair and consistent employment to each artisan who handcrafts our accessories. Every purchase from Lotus and Luna allows them to continue supporting talented artisans. You're also joining them in their mission and provide fair employment to women in Thailand. These single wraps are a Lotus and Luna favorite. With real healing energy stones in almost every piece, these single wrap bracelets are packed with positive vibes and good karma. Handmade by female artisans striving for a better quality of life, you can create your own beautiful combinations and stack with impact. This is so pretty. So here's the other side. That's the closure. So it's like encrusted with little, oh, there's like a fly. Get away, I bug spray on. There's little like gems. Is that not focusing now? I think this is so cute. So I see like, it looks like little like rose quartz. There's some purple. I don't know what they all are. I'm trying to learn. Oh, and there's a little thing here. Let's see what it says. So Luna and Lotus. Oh, so the main stone in here is jade. It says jade is a symbol of serenity and purity. It attracts good luck and friendship. Oh, I could use both. I mean, you guys are my friends. But yeah, good luck and friendship. We could all use that always. Handcrafted with love. Thank you for joining our mission to end the cycle of poverty for women in Thailand. Oh, I love that. Let me get this on. It looks like there are two little slots here, so it is adjustable. Or three. There's three different sizes. Let's see if I can get the middle one on. God, single girl struggles. When anything takes any longer than a few minutes to do it on camera, I just don't. But you guys, this is so pretty. I feel like it looks prettier in person than it does in the viewfinder. I love all the colors. They're very me. I love them. This is so pretty, and I love that they help support women. I think this box is always so great. I always feel so good after opening it. So that was everything. And again, if you subscribe and use that code down below, you'll get all this and an extra item if you subscribe by July 4th. But if you subscribe after that, you will just get the August box, and I believe you'll still get an extra gift in that as well. So I would love to know your thoughts down below. Try to think what my favorite is. I always try and do this in my videos if you're new, and I always have a hard time because I'm like one of those people, like I love everything. Well, not always, but like, you know, favorites are a little hard for me. I would say I get the most excited about the bug spray. I feel like that'll be used the most just because it's something I like spray every day, but I love the bracelet. The trivet's super cute. The soap smells good. The sunglasses are super cute too. Yeah, I'm really happy with this box, but again, I would love to know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.